Dug this old hand miter saw out, and it is not looking too great compared to what it did when it was new, but it does work. I love this old saw, you know, but it doesn't work well right now for some reason. I don't know why, but had to figure it out, clean it up a little bit, see if we can't get it looking a little better and working a little better. And I guess that's all I wanted. Let's see what we can do to make that thing. That thing's pretty rusty. I think you just slide that off. Yeah. It's been in there a while, you can tell. Been underneath, at least it's been in the dry, so it's just surface rust. So let's clean that up first, and then maybe do some more cleaning and lubing and get this thing to back to where it's supposed to be. Get it back to where it's working. Alright? It does look better. A little oil on that, it'll look a whole lot better than it does up here. But that's a lot of grinding too on it. But what else we doing? So let me see if we can't clean it up a little bit more. best thing you can do for just about any tool is keep it oiled. Keep a little bit of oil on it. That'll keep that rust off of it. Won't take a lot. Yeah. That's better. That's much better. Got all that junk off there. Try it again. Alright. Get out of the way. Get my table wipe off. That will help again. Alright. Alright. Now then, let's see what we can do with this. I don't think it needs a whole lot other than cleaning and oiling. I'm going to save my oiling rag. And we can clean this thing a little bit. Alright, I'm going to take this thing outside and I'm going to use some brake parts cleaner. I think I got enough to clean this thing off. I think that'll do more than anything. Get all the junk off of it first, and then I can start lubing. So let's get outside where we can get a little ventilation, and I'm gonna spray this thing off. Alright. Yeah, I know it ain't good for my hands, so I gotta get in there and wash them off right quick. I got it pretty clean. Let's see if we can get it back together and see if we can get it. I can get this part back together anyway. I can't get that bottom part, but this part's pretty clean. So we'll see if we can't get the blade. Which way is it running? There it is. Goes this direction. Yes. Alright. let's get the bottom and look at it. Well, let's see here. Don't really like to, but on this I'm going to use some water. Not necessarily water, but cleaner. Because it needs a little cleaning. A lot of cleaning. Sit there a minute. Won't hurt that wood, I don't think. Alright, got that part looking a little better. You can tell what it is now. S84107 maybe? I can halfway see that. There's a Lee tool. But I think looking pretty good. Will this work? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's working pretty good. So let's see if we can't get our saw blade back on there. I don't want it this way or this way. I guess it's better to go this way so you can have the handle over there. We'll put that on. Slide this down. Put it on. There we go. Yeah, it slides better too. But it's going to even slide better when we get some oil and stuff on it. So I'm going to do that right now. Put a drop or two of oil right there. Put a drop or two down here. That's right. Oh yeah, much better now. Just had to have a little bit of oil on it. And this is gonna have a little oil on it. One little drop right there, one there. One on this side on top and the bottom. Same way on this other end. Oil the top and the bottom. Now they go up, in and out, like it's supposed to, easy. Alright. So, doing a lot on there, but a little bit on there won't hurt nothing. And it'll keep it from rusting. Just a little bit on there. I'm not. Alright, I guess that's it for cleaning up and getting ready for a miter saw. Works good, looks good, and I haven't sharpened it, but it's always been sharp. So, miter saw is ready to go again. Now it's got a few more years of use for some old person like me, because young people don't use hand tools anymore. So maybe somebody will enjoy it just for the looks of it. But I enjoy using it, and maybe you will too. I don't know. Somebody will. Look at there. Turn it around. Little bit of dirt I missed right there. I didn't turn it around. Other than that, it is ready to go. Hand miter saw. Alright, I guess that's it for now.